From the start of the conference, it was the idea to have a conference which promotes interaction between people, of companies and organizations who really make money out of genomics. So the aim of this conference is to show how different organizations earn money, how it is also for the benefit of society, and which type of various business models, intellectual property, and strategies that various companies are using.
My heart, my mission, my knowledge of the world of food, of 30 years of traveling.
We're from the United States, and it's really important for our business to understand what's happening in the European Union. And Genomics in Business is one of the premier events where we can really get an insight to the scientific developments that are happening. And so that's an important way for us to get candid responses and candid interactions, not filtered through the US media.
I think that the worlds of agro and the worlds of food and food ingredients will approach each other. And if you look at the drivers for food research, you look at the drivers for the production of agro materials, I think that the consumer traits in the end will define whether a product will be a success in the market, yes or no. And that's why I think that we get the right customers here for NISA Food Research in order to approach them and convince them that NISA Food Research can contribute to their research and development programs for their new products and ingredients.
Yeah, one of the clear opportunities for us, being myself active in research and development, are all the genome-based research tools that we can use in R&D to look to the effects. For example, in our case, look to the impact that a diet has on the, for example, gastrointestinal health, and what we can learn from that and further use that knowledge for development of new innovative feed solutions.
Oh, well, it is a very eye-opener for us to see the new wave of technologies which can be used. Well, yes, today some of the technologies are expensive, and Indian seed industry is not that deep-pocketed to adopt immediately, but certainly with the collaborations or with some kind of assistance, certainly we want to use it. So I think with the genomic analysis and with the improvement in technologies, certainly we can shorten the breeding cycle and bring better products. And I think this will bring a lot of awareness to us and to the industry, which we take back to India.
As breeders, we have always been looking at single traits, single markers, and then later a few markers, a few traits. And now we are really starting to look at a whole plant and all the markers and all the traits together. It's a really interesting development, and I think it's going to be very, very important. Now I'm working for a large company in the United States. We're working on fish, we're working on potatoes, we're working on fertilizers, and we work on cattle. And all those topics were kind of addressed in this conference. And also it's a good balance between business and genomics. So I think for me it was very useful.
What we have to do in the future worldwide is to produce more food, because we are with 9 billion people in 2040. We get older, we grow obese, and we want our foodstuff and also other agricultural products sustainably produced. So that needs some new approaches. And for instance, genetic improvement of crops can be an interesting aspect of that. Development of new food concepts could be of interest, and all of these topics I think will come back at the next Genomics in Business 2030.